Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I Jabin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today our session is Google App Engine, and we will see how Google App Engine is more effective in cloud computing and how which type of platform it's provide to the user of cloud computing. Right, so Google App Engine is the platform for your next great idea. That means it provides everything art virtually for you, by which you can make the project as you want and as you need to the resources. It provides every resources for your project, and it's takes charges for the providing resources, but it's um, a platform where you can go easily and without changing your software hardware resources, right? It's take all the responsibility which type of resources you have required, right? So it's very, you can say, the easy process where you can go and made your project. So Google App Engine is an application hosting and development platform that powers everything from experience web application to mobile games using the same infrastructure the power Google's global scale web applications. Developers know that time to market is critical to success, and with the Google App Engine's simple development, robust APIs, and worry free hosting, you can accelerate your application development and take advantage of simple scalability as the application grows. With support for Python, Java, and Go, you don't have to change the way you work. Your application can take advantage of powerful APIs, high replication data storage, and a complete hands free hosting environment that automatically scales to meet any demand, whether you are serving several users or several millions. Google App Engine makes it easy to take your app ideas to the next level. Like quick to start with no software, hardware to buy and maintain, you can prototype and deploy application to your users in the matter of hours. And it's simple to use. Google App Engine include the tools you need to create, test, launch, and update your app. Rich in set of APIs, build features, reach services faster with Google App Engine's easy to use APIs and immediate scalability. There's almost no limit to how light or how quickly your app can scale. Pay for what you use. So it's another features which can help you to reduce your project money. So worry free hosting. Google App Engine uses the same proven global infrastructure and advanced technology that hosts other Google app, automatically delivering seamless scalability. Worrying about server configuration and load balancing become a thing of the past as our reliability experts handling monitoring the system for you. Simple development in Python, Java, and Go. Google App Engine offers support for Python version 2.5 or 2.7, Java version 5 or 6, and Google Go version 1. Developers can also take advantages of Google Virtual Machine based support for JRuby and Rhino. With the Google App Engine Software Development Kit SDK, developers have everything they need to build and test their application locally, and simulated versions of App Engine builds in services, taking the hassle out of setting up the test environments. It also provides high quality NoSQL and SQL service. The built-in high replication database HDR NoSQL service can store hundreds of terabytes of data with at least 3 dependent replication sites, low cost scalability, high transactional capabilities, a powerful query engine, and no setup or configuration required. Google App Engine application can also use Google Cloud SQL currently in limited preview, a familiar relational database in a fully managed cloud environment. It rich set of APIs and services. So in the next session we will see how it is reached in API and services and flexible pricing, data and services, location and service level agreement. Right. So thank you. You hope you like my session. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you, class.